Hi folks, Lee Farnell here. I'm really excited today because I want to talk to you about something so important, the whole area of how do I get consistent improvement. How do I get consistent improvement, whether it be at sport, home, business? How do I actually optimize my potential to get from where I am to this other place I want to get to in terms of performance and outcomes? Well, whether it be sport or business, here are two images you need to be really focused on. Here is our goals. Setting goals. A lot of people set goals. I want to lose weight. I want to get fit. I want to make money. I want to dream it. I want to visualize it and all of that. And that, of course, is good. But to get goals, you have to focus on your system. Systems and processes. Systems and processes. Edwards Deming, way back in the total quality management area, said when you manage your system and process, and focus on the system and process, what happens step by step along the way, the goals will take care of themselves. Now, the people who believe in goal setting say, no, just focus on your goals and everything will be okay. No, you actually have to follow the right process to get the right result. Now, there's so many great examples in sport and in business where people have focused on the process, get control of the process so that you get control of the outcome. You see, a whole range of great examples I want to talk to you about. Whether you're talking about the British cycling team, which was just unbelievable because what they did was focus on one percenters. They broke it right down. What massage equipment did the cyclists use? What colour did they paint the van? There were so many things. And of course, they went on to win world championships, win Olympic gold medals. They went from nowhere to being world champions within a 2 to 3 year period, focusing on this area of the one percenters, the British cycling team. But let's go a step further. Some of my other heroes who are so committed to the area of Kaizen, continuous and never-ending improvement, making a commitment to those one percenters. And by the way, when you improve 1% a day over a year, you get way more than 100% or even 300% better. You get 36 times better. 36 times better, almost 36,000% better, not just, I'm not even going to talk to you about that today. It's just unbelievable when you make a commitment to get 1% better every day. Going a step further, one of my other heroes, my good friend Brian Cook at Geelong Football Club. Cookie had a whole process. Now that's very bad writing. I've got to get better at. Okay, let's just do that. We're going to improve this right now. Brian Cook, Geelong Football Club. We all make mistakes, my friends. We have rubbers. We bounce back like rubber balls to make it happen. So I'm going to get back. So really interesting story. My good friend Brian Cook, Geelong Football Club, goes on and wins 3 premierships over 5 years. Richmond Football Club then model. Here's a key word. We can model success. What were the processes they used to get the results they got? I want to go a step further, talk about another principle of Everyday Empowerment Institute, what we call daily deliberate practice. Daily deliberate practice, and one of the heroes of daily deliberate practice is a super coach by the name of Dr. Rick Charlesworth. Charlesworth has the best winning record of hockey in the world. He says, don't do it till you get it right once. I want you to get it right 10 times, whether it be a corner, whether it be a shot. Daily deliberate practice of eating, daily deliberate practice of exercise, daily deliberate practice of sales, daily deliberate practice of outgoing telephone calls, daily deliberate practice of financial management. What is your system? The area you are weakest in life, you want to improve the system. I'll go on. Oh boy, there's another great example. Another great example is the New Zealand All Blacks. The New Zealand All Blacks. There's so much we can learn from the New Zealand All Blacks in terms of culture, in terms of what we call fruit bowl and team code. You see, when we talk about Everyday Empowerment Institute, what we're really talking about is a whole of person, whole of business approach. It's not just how to pitch better or how to run better marketing campaigns or how to do better financial management or how to do better expense management. It's a whole of person, let's write down. It's what we call a whole of person, whole of business approach. Whole of person, whole of business. Whole of person, whole of business, because it's that complete combination of person and business that makes the difference. What you'll see is we talk about the relationship. We talk about the relationship between these two worlds. The inner world of thought, feeling, imagination, self-talk, identity, and how that relates to the outer world of outcomes, results, money, success. And of course, there's a relationship between the two. The more successful I am out here, the more that then influences my identity. We have a whole science. We call it the neuroscience, empowerment science. Our mission is to put these tools into the hands of millions of people around the world, whether they be small business, large business, whether they be executives, career. So we focus on personal growth and success, career growth and success, business growth and success. Let's write that down. Personal growth and success, career growth and success, business growth and success. And no matter where we put it, we say there can be no true empowerment without economic empowerment. Money gives you choices. They say money doesn't buy you happiness, but it certainly buys a better standard of healthcare, holiday, house, food, medical care, fitness coaching. Not only that, you can make a difference to your community and your world with money. Poverty, you can't do much at all. Want to find out more? Come and find out how our personal growth programs, our career growth certification, and our business growth programs, how we can give you everyday empowerment tools to improve income, improve life, improve satisfaction, improve results. Touch base, find out how you can join our empowerment community, the power of community. Together, we can change the world. Change your world first, then change the world around you. Come and join us. You're most welcome.